Hey everyone! So today I'm going to show you how to dye your hair to this nice jet black color instead of that ugly natural brown color that bundles usually come in. All the tools that you're going to need are going to be down below in the description box. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So first things first, you're going to need a lot of hot water. I used a pot and a tea kettle to get the amount of water that I needed. Next, you're going to need a bowl that's big enough to fit all of your bundles and your closure in it. You're going to take that hot water and pour it into the bowl. As you can see here, I have a really big bowl from Halloween. I believe this bowl cost me about $1 or $2. So I got my hair from where I usually do, Eunice Hair, and if you look in the description box, there's a discount code for you. This hair is from the Kisses collection. I got a closure in 20, a bundle in 20, a bundle in 22, and a bundle in 24. I'm going to be using the Dark and Lovely Fade Resist dye in jet black. It comes with the dye, cream developer, and conditioner, but I don't need that. In the instructions, you'll find a pair of gloves, and you should definitely make use of those. You just peel them right out, just like this, and put them on. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the cream developer and the dye, and you're going to pour it into the bottle, and then shake it up as hard as you can. Then I carefully cut off the tags from the bundles, but I do leave one rubber band on the bundle. That just keeps the hair together for when I put it in the water. It doesn't get all tangled and all over the place. As you can see, this hair has great bounce, great body, and it's a nice full bundle. Usually longer bundles tend to be a lot thinner, but this bundle was a pretty decent size. I opened it up a little bit for you just so you could see the thickness of it. Okay, so now grab some hairspray. What you're gonna do with this is you're gonna take your closure and spray it onto the lace. This is gonna protect the closure from turning into whatever color dye you're using. Make sure you spray it all the way to the ends of the lace. That way you have the most protection. After you spray it, you're going to want to take your blow dryer on the cool setting and just cool it down until it's not very sticky anymore. You're just going to want to feel it just to make sure that it's dried up. Your dye should have been sitting there, and you can tell that it's ready when you can see the color of it through the bottle. You're going to take that dye and pour it into the hot water. Now I recommend using a plastic utensil or something that you can throw away because this might change the color of something that you have already. So you're going to want to stir and stir and stir this dye in this water until you don't see any more clumps of white at the surface of the water. Now here's the easiest part. All you have to do is dunk all the bundles and the closure into this water very carefully and very slowly, and then stir it. I did this for maybe about 15 minutes, and then I just kind of let it sit in the water for a little while, and then I rinsed it out. To be honest, you don't even have to leave it for as long as I did. I just really wanted the color to really get in there. But the hair itself was already dark brown anyway, so it really didn't take that long for it to get to the jet black color that I really wanted. Okay, so next I rinsed all the hair out with cold water. And then I took my Alba Botanicals Hawaiian conditioner and I rinsed off the closure, and I also washed the rest of the bundles. But as you can see, the lace wasn't really affected by the dye. I wanted to make sure that there wasn't any excess dye on it though, so I made sure I scrubbed the closure really well, and I let the conditioner sit in the hair for a while. Then I took the hair and I just laid it out on a towel, And as you can see, it is that beautiful jet black color that I was going for. It looks so great in the light. And I just let it sit there and dry overnight. So the next morning I came out and I took the hair, and it looks completely beautiful. I really love how it looks. So I decided to seal the wefts before my hair appointment, which is what you're going to see me do really quickly. I didn't really want to go too in depth with this because there's plenty of videos on YouTube about it, and I don't really know what I'm doing for sure. I just saw a video and I just did it like this, so this is just what I do. After I sealed the wefts, I took my Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner and literally just took a tiny bit and ran it through each bundle of the hair and the closure. After I put the leave-in conditioner on all the hair, I wrapped it up and took it to get it installed. And voila, there you have it. My hair came out a beautiful jet black color, and the installation was amazing. The person that did my hair, her name is Shanice Glam Room. I'll leave her information in the description box. And also, here's a length check so that you can see exactly how long the hair is on me. It was super long. Do you see my hair right now? It looks so good. So since this hair is super long, like I really didn't want it straight. Like I don't usually like straight hair. But obviously they had to flat iron it, and I didn't have time to get like curls and stuff because I didn't want to be there even longer than I already was. So I'm going to try to put flexi rods, but to be honest, this hair is just so silky that I highly doubt that flexi rods is going to do anything more than give it just like a little bit of a bounce or a little bit of a curl or something like that. Like this is definitely the type of hair that needs heat to do something. It's really silky. Like this is probably like the silkiest hair I've ever had in my whole life. I'm gonna try it, and then I'm gonna come back, and when I wake up in the morning I'm gonna come back, turn on the camera, and show y'all how it is like when I'm getting ready for work. If the flexi rods don't do anything to it, then I'm gonna try to use my wand curler or my curling iron to like put some curls in this, because this is too long for me. Like I can't have my hair like this. Like I'm a bartender, there's no way they're gonna even let me go in there looking like this. But I love this hair though, it's really nice. I just want to show y'all up close like what this looks like. Like this looks like my scalp. This looks like the hair growing out of my scalp. And like on the camera it looks like it's like way up here, but it's really not. I guess it just looks way on camera, but this is laid. This is what your hair should look like when you do it. This is what your hair should look like. If your hair don't look like this, try again, because this is what your hair should look like. This right here, this is it. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Okay, you guys, good afternoon, because it's not morning, it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I have work at 5. As you can see, I put the flexi rods in my hair. I did not take them out yet. I'm gonna do my makeup first, and before I take them out, I'm actually just gonna blow dry them just a little bit, because I want to make sure that the curls are in, because if I take these out and they are flat, I'm gonna be very upset. So I'm just gonna blow dry, like just for a few minutes, like really not even that long, and then I'm gonna come back after everything's done, and you're gonna see the final result of this hair. By the way, I woke up this morning and the place where I got the hair from is having a sale, and it was a pretty good sale, so I'm gonna show you guys really fast. Like they always have like really good sales, so I recommend that if you you know, buy hair from them, or if you're interested in buying hair from them, I recommend that you sign up for their emails,
I'm gonna post a link in the description box as well as my discount code so that you guys can, whenever they're not having a sale, you guys can get a little bit of money off. But they are having a sale, and I'm just gonna show you right now because this is unbelievable. But here. So let me turn this ring light down, turn it off. But as you can see, bundle deal. Right there, it says 8A Peruvian straight, 12, 14, 60 for $50. It says 5 sets only, but I don't know what that means. Let me see. First comes. Oh, there's only 5 sets. So like these are the type of emails that they send out. So like, you know, it's first come, first serve. So the first 5 people that, you know, bought these bundles would get them for $50, which is absolutely crazy. And just so you know, the grade 8A is the type that I have in my hair right now. So it's like the super silky, but I got the body wave, the deep wave, I forget which one I got. But yeah, so I'm gonna post a link in the description box below so that you can see the type of hair that I have. And I'm also gonna post my discount code so that you guys can get some money off whenever they're not having a crazy sale like that. But I have, you know, their emails, and sometimes they have 10% off, 15% off, whatever the case may be. And that's the time that, you know, I spend my little money because it's already cheap, and then they have a discount on top of that. Like, it's amazing. But anyways, I'm gonna go off camera now, do my makeup for a different video, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the final result. So I'll see you soon.
So the curls came out really nicely in the hair. I still used some hairspray for a little bit of extra security, but all in all, I think I used only about 6 or 7 flexi rods, so the curls really aren't that small or tight. I just wanted like a nice bouncy wavy look, and it came out exactly how I wanted it to. I finger combed and separated the hair so that way it wouldn't have like that, I don't know, like I feel like if you use a comb it just messes up the curl pattern. So I used my fingers, and that was pretty much it. Then I went to work and I was all good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.